moving to the 7th slide, we are going to do a couple of things. So let me check what we've got out there by using this vertical scroll bar here. And the 7th slide, I have my joystick. 8th, I've got microphone. So we're going to do those things very fast. Okay, so joystick is the way to go now, and I am going to copy this actually. So I'm going to right click, copy, and then move to my work in progress, come down here to my mouse, and then we're going to create another slide. And one way to create another slide, okay, when you click on the last slide, is by pressing the enter key from the keyboard. And remember the last used slide you actually applied. Right click here and then click on paste, and about this device is there already. Then I'm going to come here to my mouse, click here, and then right click, copy. I need to copy this because I don't want to keep changing the font color and good. Then come down here and then right click, then choose paste, then paste it out there. Change the name from mouse by double clicking to joystick, and here I want to insert joystick by going to the insert here, coming down to pictures, and choose this joystick, and also one more joystick I've got here. So you click on this. In fact, let me make this thing white by dragging this bottom right corner, and click on this and hold down the control key, then click on this to select non-adjacent files. So you click on the first one, control click on the second one. Don't hold shift because shift would end up selecting that range. For instance, when I click here, hold down the shift key. If I should click here, it will select that range for me. However, I don't want to select adjacent files, rather selective ones. So click on the first one, hold the control key, then click on the second one, then click on insert, and I have these two things here. And this one, these two guys, I need to click outside first, then come back and click on them one after the other and drag this to this side, and here I am good to go. This Sony happens to be PNG file, which is a portable network graphics, which when you save your file as a PNG file, the background remains transparent, because all transparent backgrounds remains transparent, translucency remains translucent. All right, as I am done with this, I need to move to my next one. Okay, one more slide, one slide again. Click on this from the thumbnail from the left side, then press the enter key from the keyboard, and then I need to go to my joystick, that is slide 7. Click on joystick here, the text box, Control C to copy it, come to 8 and then Control V. Then let me work out here by going to my final work, my progress work right here. And if I should look closely, the 8 I have microphone, the 9 I have scanner. So let me click here, come down here, copy, that is right click, copy, and then go back to my work in progress. Then I'm going to paste here again. Let me add another slide, enter, and this one let me go to my joystick and then copy it, Control C, come down here to the slide 9, Control V to paste. Then I'm going to come down to my taskbar, then work on this by looking at this microphone. From microphone I have scanner. All right, so let me click right back, click here, and the first one, this I have joystick, and I should rename this one to microphone. And then coming to the 9th one, I'm going to double click inside to select that block and name it scanner, and I'm good to go. Next, I need to go back and then copy the microphone right here. So right click and then copy, go back here, and then okay, I have this. Next, the 9th slide, I want to press the enter key on the keyboard, then come down here. After the scanner, I've got the biometric sensor, and then I also have the barcode reader. So biometric sensor, I'm going to copy it, biometric sensor, the properties, I'm going to right click here, copy, and then go to my work in progress and paste it here, okay, by right clicking and then clicking on paste. Then I would make my way here, scanner, So right click here, copy, then come here and then paste it. This is going to paste it right where it was in the very original slide. Okay, so I have the slider here, and this is going to be biometric sensor. So biometric sensor, and I'm good to go. So I have the scanner, biometric sensor. Then let me press the enter key again to go to one more distant here called barcode reader. All right, so I'm going to right click on the barcode reader. Okay, I'm going to right click on the barcode reader, that is the line over here, copy, and then I would make my way to the final work, right click here and then paste it as well. And here I have biometric sensor, and I have this. So let me go to my biometric sensor, right click on the line, copy, and then come down here to the 11, right click and then paste. But this time this needs to be barcode reader, so I'm going to triple click. So when you double click, it's going to select block of word. When you triple click, it's going to select the entire line out there. So I am going to type barcode reader right here. Now we can start by bringing in our pictures right here, and we need to add pictures. So let me go back to my microphone and make my way to insert, click on pictures, and here we are going to use microphone. So this is the microphone we've got out here. Click to select it, go to insert and drag it somewhere here. I'm going to speed up a bit. Okay, I'm speeding up, and drag this from the top out here and then till it gets there, then drag it down a bit. Make sure it is in line, it fits very well. You're good to go. And here I wanna even crop things. Okay, let me drag it up a bit so I can see more areas. Oh, seems I'm having problem out here, so let me drag it down a bit, and something like this I think it will do now. Okay, something like this first, then I'm going to crop it and we go on. So double click on the picture to activate the format, click on this to access the trim tools or the crop tools, position your mouse to the bottom and then drag this up, then click outside, drag down a bit and then drag this very big, you know, and we are good to go. So this is about our microphone. And next, about our scanner, click on insert, click on pictures and then bring in a scanner. This is the scanner I downloaded, and click on insert, and right here I have the scanner right here. Let me drag it out here, double click and go to crop right here, make your way to this end and then drag this region slide. So click outside and then bring it down here, drag to make it very big, and you are good to go. Next, biometric sensor, insert, pictures, and then we have the biometric sensor over here. This is the device actually. Insert, and here I want to make it a bit smaller. Good, and then drag it to this region like so, and then also crop it by clicking on this crop and drag from here and here as well. And once you are done, click outside and you are good to go. Our biometric our barcode reader, let me go to insert, click on pictures and our barcode reader. We're gonna use this out here and click on insert, and I have it here inserted. Let me go to one of the corner handles, drag it to the bottom a bit and then bring it somewhere here, and let me also crop it a bit. So by clicking on the crop here, drag down a bit, then go up a bit as well and come to this side a bit too. Click outside, then go down here and drag, then you are good to go. And once you are done with all those things, my friend, you are 99% complete. I need to add one more slide right here. So by clicking on this slide thumbnail from the left side, press the enter key, and if you should look carefully from the final project, I've got this. Take a deep breath. So let me copy the two by right clicking and then copy, then go over here to my work in progress, then right click and paste, and take a deep breath. I cannot see the final work just because I am sure they are not in the same text box. So let me drag this region, or let me click here in between the tilde and then the bullet, then press the backspace key from the keyboard, and then go to the paragraph group. Because I want this to be centered, go to the paragraph group, then choose this center, or better still, press Ctrl plus E from the keyboard. Then next, I want to go back to that work and then make sure I select this. So you notice that this is in a different text box. Right click here, go to copy, and then go to your final work and right click and paste right here. And if you are able to accomplish all these things, then congratulations, you have successfully deal with your text, your images right here inside PowerPoint. The next movie, we will start by using animations right here. Thank you.